Got a lot of things on the gardening agenda today on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. One thing is to tie up these goji berries. They're starting to flop out into the pathway here. And it's very important to have a trellis for your gojis. The taller you let them get, the more they'll start to droop down into other areas where you might not want them to be. So it's a very easy fix. Here's my 4-foot wire fencing here. And these little plant clips make quick work out of it. Sometimes I use green twisty ties as well. I'm going to just put this in position. Clap it onto the fence. Now that one's out of the way. Same thing here. And there we are, nice and tidy again. Now I'm just going around and giving the basil a little watering. It's nice how the cup just directs that water right to the root zone of the plant. And a couple of the chickens enjoying some of those weeds and grass I pulled a few days ago. Stuff like that really keeps them content in their chicken run. Over here we've got an escapee. Looks like she wants to go back in now. So I'll open this gate and try to let her in without letting the others out. There she goes. And the chickens will be turning those weeds and grass into some more eggs for us. All the hens are laying right now. They're laying like crazy. So you need to get out here and do another collection. It's a nice day, isn't it? You're waiting for somebody to throw this frisbee, aren't you? Oh, you're being very patient while Daddy works in the garden. We'll play a little later, I promise, okay? No, I said a little later, buddy. Oh. Oh. I disrupted you guys just chilling, didn't I? Okay. Give me the frisbee, I'll throw it. Rocket, don't do that. Good girl. Good girl. Hey. Be nice, Rocket. And we got some boiled eggs going for lunch. And my gorgeous wife.
Honey bun. I love you, heart.
Love you. Alright, let the construction of the new chicken gate begin. This is a fence from an older design. Basically just tied it up to one of these fence posts. And it's just twined right into the fence there. Really rickety, did the job, but I'm looking forward to a nice gate over here now. Well, I got the one post in. It's actually starting to rain a bit now. Clouds have rolled in. So I'm going to have to put this project on hold for the moment. Cover up my concrete. Quick boiled egg break. Alright, so here we are about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours later, and look at the sky. Just a beautiful blue. We're very close to sunset now, so got enough time to install the other post here. Well, we got the posts in, at least, and it's getting dark. So I'm gonna head on in and we'll finish this up tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. So here we are, day 2. I'm gonna finish up getting this chicken gate installed. Got those posts in the ground yesterday. Had some intermittent rain, which kind of slowed things down, but I'm gonna get that gate framed out today and installed. Thank you, Meme. Thank you. Good job. Wow. Good job. Go get something to eat now. There you go. That's a good girl. There's just one thing left to do. Alright, well that's one project done. I think it turned out really nice. Now I can walk in. The gate will close right behind me. Automatic spring return for the gate. So we get all pressure treated lumber here, 1/2-inch hardware cloth. Went with all black for the latch and the hinges. And the next project I'll be sharing with you is the build of my kiwi trellis. Hope you stick around for that. Just want to thank everyone for tuning in today. I hope you're having a great one. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.